The Chevrolet TRAX is a compact crossover SUV produced from 2013 to 2017. Depending on the model and region, the TRAX may include a speed limiter assistant feature. This feature isn't standard on all US models, but can be enabled through software updates or aftermarket modifications. We'll show you how to check and potentially enable or disable the speed limiter assistant. First, check your infotainment system. Go to Vehicle Settings, then look for Driver Assistance or similar. If you see Speed Limiter, you can adjust it here. If not, it might be disabled or not present in your model. Remember, some GM recalls, like recall number 25Y123 in 2025, added this feature via software update to the MyLink infotainment systems. If your TRAX has the speed limiter option in the settings, select it. You can then set a maximum speed using the on-screen controls or steering wheel buttons. The system will warn you when you approach or exceed the set limit. Keep in mind this is not a hard limiter, just a reminder. To disable the speed limiter, return to the speed limiter setting in your infotainment system and toggle it off. Some models might require a vehicle restart for the change to take effect. Ensure the setting is deactivated before driving to avoid unintended speed restrictions. If your TRAX doesn't have a factory-installed speed limiter, you can activate one using aftermarket solutions. This requires an OBD2 scanner and tuning software to reprogram the vehicle's electronic control module. Popular options include Superchips programmers, which connect to your vehicle's diagnostic port. Diablo Sport tuners offer similar functionality with advanced dashboard interfaces for monitoring. The process involves connecting the scanner to reprogram the ECM, or engine control module. This adds the speed limiter software to your vehicle's systems. Once activated, you may see limiter controls on your digital dashboard. However, proceed with caution. Reprogramming the ECM can void your warranty and may affect vehicle safety systems. Online forums like ChevroletTraxForum.com provide user guidance, but General Motors officially advises against such modifications. Modifying your vehicle's ECM can void warranties and potentially affect safety systems. Improper tuning can lead to issues like loss of cruise control or incorrect speed readings. Ensure you understand the risks and have the necessary technical expertise before attempting any modifications. The Speed Limiter Assistant in the 2013-2017 Chevrolet TRAX is a software-based feature that monitors your vehicle's speed through sensors and compares it to a set limit. This limit can be user-set or suggested by the system, often using GPS data for speed zone awareness. Importantly, this is not a hard limiter. While it provides warnings to help prevent unintentional speeding, you can still manually accelerate past the set speed if needed for safety or other reasons. Safety systems always take precedence over the speed limiter. Features like ABS brakes, traction control, and vehicle stability assist will override the limiter to ensure vehicle safety in critical situations. Experts recommend professional tuning for speed limiters to avoid potential issues. While the feature can enhance safety, over-reliance can lead to complacency. Always pay attention to the road and drive responsibly. Consult your owner's manual or a certified mechanic for assistance.